Good morning all. My name is Shraddha from grade 8. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's date Monday and today's date is 25th August 2025. Thank you.
Good morning all. This is Sarvesh Khoth from grade 8. Every Monday we observe Motivational Monday. So on behalf of it I would like to share a thought. The thought is one man practicing sportsmanship is far better than 50 preaching it. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning all. This is Avni Patil from grade 8.
My name is Aradha Murray from grade 8.
I am Prapti Davarte from grade 8.
This is Pradna Chogule from grade 8.
Today we are going to tell you importance of the day. Today it was the day in history when Indian polo team won the World Cup in France.
Now you all might be wondering that what is polo? Polo is a team sport played on horseback. Each team tried to score goals by hitting a ball with a long-handled mallet. It's called the sports of kings.
Talking about the championship, the event is called FIP World Polo Championship, organized by Federation of International Polo FIP. Teams from countries like Argentina and USA and England also played.
Let's have a look to India's victory. India defeated USA in the final match. Final score India 6, USA 5.5. India won the world champion title after decades. This was India's first world title in polo.
The Indian team heroes were Captain Simran Gill, other players Dhrupal Godara, Shamsher Ali and Sukhvinder Singh. They played with great teamwork and courage.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send a message that our national team showed a great courage, unity and sportsmanship. As a school, we feel inspired and proud of this achievement.
We salute our players to success motivates all students to dream big and work hard.
Wishing everyone more victories, medals, and
Moments of pride ahead.
Thank
Thank you.
you.